Hi guys, in today's tutorial for beginners I will show you how to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Over here I have sample footage, so let's drag it and drop it to our timeline. We need one more to create transition between both of them. Now the next step is to expand the effects. Over here in video transition you will find listed all the transitions down below. Down we have more fancy ones, and in the top we have simple ones that are used most frequently. So let's put the playhead between both of our clips and hover on top of the transition so we can see the preview. Like this. If you want to add it, just simply drag it and drop it here. But if it doesn't work, this is common case, you just need to cut a couple of frames from the first clip and as well from the second clip. Now put them together and do the same process, drag and drop, and the transition is applied. Let's preview it. And it's working. So if you select it, you can extend a little bit or collapse. If you expand the inspector over here, we have full customization of the transition. We can change the durations in seconds, we can change the frames and left, the right side and all the rest of the settings. Also here you can change to some other transition. And the other method is just simply drag and drop to our first transition, and now instantly is changed. And that's how easy it is to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you in the next videos.